Yes, I love the Gen Z. You guys are doing a fantamagorious work. That one which you did on the streets is shadowless. Now, today we want to do a study under the mineral science, a study called planetary geology. So what is planetary geology? Planetary geology is the study of rocks. Okay? And why are we studying the rocks? Because recently, while you were demonstrating, you were wondering which type of rocks are we supposed to throw? yeah, you were flabbergasted. Today I just said, let me come and teach you. Planetary geology is what we are going to study today. Now, rocks are divided into three: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. When you are going for a demonstration, do not pick igneous and sedimentary. Pick metamorphic rocks. Are we together? Metamorphic rocks are classified to be the heaviest rocks that can be propelled and catapulted towards an enemy. And remember, the reason why we are also studying rocks is because of its uses. Okay? Apart from it being used for construction, it can also be used for security purposes as a defensive mechanism, okay, to protect and defend yourself. So that's why we pick metamorphic rocks. So when you pick metamorphic rocks, not just pick metamorphic rocks. Look at that rock. Is it porous or non-porous? So then you ask yourself, between porous and non-porous, which one is heavy and can be catapulted and will go at a greater speed and at the farthest distance? So that one brings us to non-porous rocks. So you pick non-porous rocks. So after picking non-porous rocks, ensure that non-porous rocks has higher density with higher concentration of calcium carbonate. Are we together? Yes, that is the chemical component of it. And ensure that the weight of that metamorphic rocks, which is non-ferrous, has a weight between 200 grams to 700 grams. So that when you are throwing the stone, you apply what is called Condell stone throwing principle. And what does Condell stone throwing principle state? It states that the weight of the stone being thrown is inversely proportional to the distance it will cover. So that the less the weight of that stone, the greater the distance it will cover, so long as the speed and the force exerted remains constant. So weight and force is K. So then now you have the stone, metamorphic, which is non-porous, with high density, with components of calcium carbonate in it. So then, now next, what do? Identify your subject. Identify what? Your subject. Who is your subject? The police. He is throwing tear gas at you. Culminate that stone at an angle of 90 degrees behind your head. Circulate it and circumnavigate it at a propelling speed of 2 meters per second. Launch it and propel it, culminating towards the subject. Let me assure you, you will come out celebrating. You will enjoy the demonstrations. Okay? So I just came because I know tomorrow we are not having classes, you are going for demonstration. Now you go and use that one.